Good afternoon, students. Today we learn EVS Part 2, lesson number 6, the Oath of Swaraj. Okay? The Oath of Swaraj. Shivaji makes a promise. The brave Marathas were all Sardars at the court of the Muslim kings. Even Shivaji's own father, Shahaji, was a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. They were all servants of the Sultan. Servant means they work for the Sultan. Shivaji did not like this at all. He wanted to have the rule of his own people. Shivaji wanted to have Swaraj in his kingdom. He did not like that the Sultan ruled all over the land. Shivaji was given the Jagir of Pune. He administered it well with the help of Dadaji. The people of Pune were happy, but Shivaji was not satisfied. This was because the Jagir actually belonged to Adil Shah, not him. All these things made young Shivaji very angry. He wanted to do something. He used to play games about defending the sultans as a child. He wanted to do it for real. Shivaji was fired up with thoughts and ideas of doing something good for the people. So he and his friends gathered at Raireshwar near Pune. Deep in the forest there was temple of Lord Shiva with his Mawla friend Shivaji promised Shiva that he would work hard to free his people. This was the oath of Swaraj that Shivaji took. He was 17 years old. Oath means a promise. All of them offer some of the blood from their thumb to Lord Shiva and seal their promise. They were all ready to give up their lives to get Swaraj for their people. After this, Shivaji immediately went to Lal Mahal and told Jijabai about his promise to work for Swaraj. She was very happy that Shivaji had taken this step. She always wanted Shivaji to set up an independent kingdom. Shivaji immediately got busy. He had taken a promise of having Swaraj. Now he had to work for it. There was so much work to do. Shivaji had to train the Maulas to use swords, ride horses, and fight wars. The Mawal region is full of fields and valleys. Shivaji started understanding it properly. He explored the ghats and possible routes. The Maulas worked hard with Shivaji because of the Maulas' support. Shivaji felt like working harder. The Maulas believed in Shivaji and were ready to die for Shivaji. Shivaji then studied the forts in that area properly. Shivaji had to get ready to fight against a powerful king and he needed some friends too. The Deshmukhs take Shivaji's side. The land all over Mawal was given to certain Deshmukhs to look after. This land was given by the king and was called a Watan. The Deshmukhs loved their Watans and would keep fighting with each other for money. This was really silly because actually they were all under the control of the king. Shivaji decided to talk to them and tell them to stop fighting with each other. He told the Deshmukhs to help in the work of Swaraj and their own kingdom. Some of the Deshmukhs agreed to help Shivaji and became Shivaji's friends. Thus Shivaji made many Deshmukhs come over to his side. But all the Deshmukhs did not listen to Shivaji. Some of them didn't really want Swaraj. They were happy with their watans. Shivaji had to fight them and defeat them and then bring them over to his side. Thus, Shivaji made the Deshmukhs stop fighting each other and the people were happy. Many of the Deshmukhs started looking at Shivaji as their leader. They were all getting together and getting ready to fight for Swaraj. Some of the Deshmukhs who strongly supported Shivaji were Junjar Rao, Maral, Haibatrao, Salimkar, Baji Pasalkar, Paigude, Vithoji Sitole, Jede, Badal, etc. Shahaji's Jagir of Pune was already administered in Shivaji's name. So Shahaji had a special royal seal prepared for Shivaji. It was called his Rajmudra. The words on the seal are written in Sanskrit. This was special. All other seals at that time were in Persian language. So this was a big change. Swaraj was the kingdom of the people and the seal was in the language of the people. The people understood that the seal meant this is the royal seal of Shivaji, son of the Shahaji. This royal seal is for the welfare of people. This seal, the rule of the seal, will grow like the new moon grows. The seal was like a promise to all Maulas that Shivaji's kingdom would be a kingdom for the people. They were all ready as a team to fight with Shivaji to win Swaraj.